Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to stick around and hang out with me. I do cleaning and organizing videos, cooking videos, DIYs, beauty videos, you name it, anything to do with a working mom and trying to balance her home in a natural, organic setting and keeping life just simple. So today we are actually going to organize my master bathroom using the shelving unit that's already in here, just giving it a fresh coat of paint, and we're going to organize it in a way, giving it a farmhouse feel, but making sure everything is housed up here, more organized for my family. I have two kids, they're very active, they're not always super organized, so I found these baskets at Menards that I think will be a great thing to do in my linen closet. And you're gonna see what it looked like before. It's a complete disaster, it's quite embarrassing. And we're gonna go ahead and organize our bath towels, our extra linens for our bedding, our hand towels, washcloths, and bath towels, along with toiletries and paper items. So follow along with me. Let me know what you think in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you love organizational and cleaning videos. And remember to hit that subscribe button.
So as you can see, this linen closet is pretty much in disarray and needed a good cleaning and declutter. So I am going to pull everything out and get rid of the things that are no longer serving its purpose and organize this in those 3 wicker baskets that I did get from Menards. It's funny because my daughter is chatting with me in this section of the video, so that's why I look like I've been talking or talking to someone. I wasn't talking to myself, I promise. I did buy 5 of these baskets, and in this section of the video I am going through each of the baskets and through the items that I house in my linen closet to decide which things and items will be going in what particular baskets. I've decided to store the things I don't use on a regular basis on the top shelf, such as swim towels, because I live in Michigan and we don't really swim in the wintertime, but sometimes we like a few of them handy when we do get invited to indoor pools. If any of the items look grungy or dirty or they're just stained, I decided to put those in a pile to use for household rags. I need various rags to clean floors and the bathroom and messes and things like that, so I just cut them up and use that for that. Also, some of the larger items, the bath towels and beach towels, I use to dry my dogs off when they've been out in the lake or when they come in when the weather is wet. This basket, I decided to put all of my hand towels and washcloths. I did the same thing. I threw out or used them for household rags, or I put them in a pile just to donate. So the ones I'm keeping in this basket. We do go through a lot of washcloths throughout the week to wash our face and bodies and things of that nature. The hand towels we do go through a lot too as well, so that's why I like to have a little bit extra than normal, just because we do go through them. We are a family of 4. So next on the agenda is the toiletry items. Sorry about that, my camera was a little crooked. Now with the toiletry items, I basically decided what I'm keeping and got rid of the rest. I'm really trying this upcoming year to keep my skincare and beauty care and all my body care items to a minimum. So I'm trying to find items that I can use on my day-to-day basis that are interchangeable. I can use maybe say my cream that I use on my body also on my face. So I'm hoping to simplify this and minimalize this in my life in the future. As you can see, this space is extremely small and deep, so it was a little hard to maneuver the camera around, but I tried my best, and I hope you guys get the gist of what I'm doing here and it motivates you to maybe declutter and organize your linen closet and using just simple items and inexpensive items. Next, I went in with an all-purpose cleaner and cleaned each of the shelves. And then I basically took white chalk paint and painted the parts where you can see that are brown that look like a faux wood or fake wood. And I used the chalk paint to kind of clean up what was already pre-existing on the shelves, the white that was on there. And I think it gave it a nice, fresh, clean look. One thing I noticed when I was painting with the chalk paint, make sure you have a damp cloth by you, because if any of the chalk paint gets on your walls or an item, it seemed to clean off pretty easily with the damp cloth. So make sure you keep that in mind, especially if you did it the lazy way like me and didn't use painter's tape to tape off the areas I didn't want chalk paint on.
I completed the look. It is not 100% the way I wanted it to look like, but I think I'm happy as of right now of how this came out. I basically used the pre-existing shelves that were in there and I painted them with white chalk paint, just kind of finished them and cleaned them up where the wood was showing. It wasn't 100% real wood. It was kind of that fake wood, so I wanted it just a clean finished look. I did find the baskets, like I said, at Menards, and at the top I have linens and beach towels, and in the second shelf I have hand towels and wash towels, and the third towel are bath towels. The fourth one is toiletries, and then paper products at the bottom. So overall, I think it came out much better. It does give that farmhouse feel. It looks more clean and organized. So if company comes over and uses this bathroom, I'm not going to be embarrassed by it. If you loved how this turned out, give me a thumbs up. If you love organizational and cleaning videos, give me a thumbs up as well. And I'll talk to you guys all real soon.